You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you.
Hi guys, I'm Evie from LoveForDIY.com, and today I'm going to show you how to frame a painting in a very simple and affordable way. This is something that I want to be making for about 2 years, maybe more, but I let every time fear of failure get in the way, but not anymore guys. So let's get started. You will need 4 pieces of pine 1.5 inch deep by 1/4 of an inch thick, a miter box and a hand saw, black acrylic paint, sandpaper, paintbrush, pencil, a triangular ruler and a nail gun. First things first, I took a piece of wood and attached it to the top of the painting. I carefully aligned the edge of the molding to the corner of the painting and then marked the wood where the other corner ends. Next, I took the second strip of wood and placed it side by side to the marked wood and then marked it with the help of a triangular ruler. The best way to measure the painting is to measure the top and the bottom first and then the sides. That way, when you touch the moldings at the sides, they will then cover the end cuts and you will end up with clear ends. That's what I'm doing here. I'm placing the top and the bottom strips of wood first and then at the side, and then I mark the point where the 2 strips are meeting. Be careful guys to align the molding exactly at the edge of the other corner where the other 2 strips are meeting. Then I'm marking the 4th piece exactly as I did with the other pieces. I'm using the side strip of wood as a guide and a little help of the triangular ruler to get a straight line. Next, I'm using my miter box and hand saw to cut the strips according to my measurements. Now that I'm thinking it over, I should have put the wood vertically. It would then be easier to cut that way. Not bad for a beginner, huh? Anyway, let's move on. Now that I cut the strips, I'm using a sandpaper to smooth them and to be ready for the next step, which is painting. My kids gladly helped me and I couldn't deny their offer. At this stage, I want to point out that I put a little water in the acrylic paint and blended to get a watery mixture in order for the wood to absorb the paint easily. A good tip if you want to wait for the paint to dry between coats and you don't want to let your brush to dry during this time, is to take a plastic bag and put your brush inside and then close it with a rubber band. If you put it in your fridge, you can even use it the next day. Trust me guys, you will thank me for that. Now back to the molding. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I like to put the molding at the top first and then at the bottom. Here I'm using my nail gun. Note, this is my first time using a nail gun and I think I nailed it. Finally, it wasn't so hard as I thought it would be. That's the reason you should always overcome the fear and go for it. Now I'm turning my painting upside down to nail the other part of the wood strip at the bottom of my painting. Coming to me, I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy This time I'm turning it over to the side and nailing the side moldings. Then I'm using a rubber hammer to set the nails, though this is optional. Afterwards, I'm touching up the nails and the end grains with a little bit of the acrylic paint. And here is how it turned out. Coming to me, I just need
don't need a killer, pregnant for me.
I'm sitting here with my two beautiful little helpers, Pantelis and Maria. Say hi, guys.
Hi!
And I'm super excited because I finally made it. We finally made it. Don't you agree, guys?
Yes!
I totally love how it turned out and I enjoyed every moment. So if you enjoyed it too, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIYs on a low budget, push the notification bell to be notified for every upcoming video, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below and tell me if you found this tutorial helpful. Well guys, until next time, have a nice day. Bye!
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 Bye!